Hi, I'm Rhoxie Therese Arciaga, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, batch 2018. I passed the licensure examination back in February 2019, and now I'm currently working here in Dubai, UAE as a conformance engineer at SGS Gulf Limited for 1 year and 4 months. There are a lot of reasons to like mechanical engineering, but for me, I believe mechanical engineers are shaped like metals. Metals are described as malleable, ductile, and with good thermal conductivity. So I believe mechanical engineers are designed to fit every aspects of engineering field, because in our curriculum we have this basics of civil engineers, computer engineers, electronics and communication, electrical, and industrial engineering. We cover it during our in our subjects on higher years. You'll encounter it soon. So I believe mechanical engineers are the most versatile engineers among all fields. So sa mga aspiring mechanical engineers dyan, ituloy nyo lang, lalo na sa mga babae din na mechanical engineers ngayong first year. Huwag kayong mag-shift please. Tamang inyong choice. Ituloy nyo lang yan, tapusin nyo. Kasi worth it talaga. Bukod sa challenging ang mechanical engineering, napakadaming opportunities once you graduated. Itong next question is pang Miss Universe siya. Joke lang. For me, a great engineer is the one who knows how to listen. A great person is a good listener. Yun ang feeling ko. Yun ang opinion ko. Kasi life is a learning process. Hindi lang siya applicable actually for engineers like us, but this is applicable for all the professionals. We should always open our ears to others' criticisms and suggestions, lalo na nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo, may experience sa atin, may mga taong umaasa sa atin bilang engineers. So, we need to listen. Ngayong nandito pa lang tayo sa baba. Regarding time management, actually, mahigpit ako. Gusto ko may work-life balance ako. Kapag umpisa ng working hours, magsisipag ako hanggang matapos. Pag uwi ng bahay. Ayokong buksan ng email, ayokong tumanggap ng tawag galing sa mga kliyente, lalo na sa line of work namin. Kailangan namin i-check every emails every now and then, pero ako pasaway ako. So, advice ko lang is set your time limit, lalo na siguro ngayon sa pag-aaral. I-limit natin yung sarili natin na there's a time for leisure, there's a time for studying, kasi para sa future natin to. So, during class hours, it's better to focus, especially when we have this our professors who are continuously guiding us to be an engineer. So, it's better na yung palang students tayo, i-practice na natin yung ating time management skills. Kasi, pagdating ng review, pag nag-work na, alam mo, ang bilis ng panahon. Kaya, as early as now, it's better to start managing your time, since time is gold. For all aspiring engineers, enjoy the moment. Darating din yung time na dadagdag yung prefix na inaasam-asam nyo sa unahan ng pangalan nyo. But for now, enjoy the moment and then stay strong, stay determined. And for all female mechanical engineers, kapit lang. Let's go of the stigma that mechanical engineering is only for men. We can do it also as women. Huwag matakot. Mag-isa ka lang na babae, ano naman. So, ang aim natin lahat is maging mechanical engineers. So, kumapit lang tayo din sa pangarap natin at makakaptan din natin yan. Bless you all, engineers, and good luck. Thank you for listening.